The CC102 range is our benchmark all-rounder with a classical, somewhat retro design. This machine finds itself at home in any environment. Simplicity, elegance, and purity best describes our popular CC102. The exceptionally versatile range includes a 1-group, 2-group compact, 2-group, and 3-group machines, so it really is a machine for everyone. With striking aesthetics, which includes satin stainless steel panels and vivid color accents, this machine harmonizes with any environment. It is also packed with the latest technology, ensuring it punches well above its weight and consistently surpasses expectations of espresso extraction.